Okay, in this video we're going to go ahead and do these treads. So let's go ahead and see a couple different kind of bad things here, like these squares. There's squares along the side, and there's squares on the top. So you'll notice actually there's a little vertex. I'm going to scale this down a little. Let's go to front. Let's go to right view. Let's go right to there. I'm going to hit shift and go right to here. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to hit 3, right? That didn't do much. I'm going to go to Mesh Tools, Insert Edgeloop. Put one right there. Right there. Okay. I'm going to put one right there. Right there. Now hit 3. Now I have more of that kind of thing going on. Okay, good. Okay, good. Let's go ahead and do the treads. Looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across, and then there's 3 down. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that. They're like squares. It's like 4 little squares. So we're going to go ahead and create a square. And what we're going to do, perfect. We're going to go to vertex, face. We're going to hit Control E to extrude. We're going to click this. We're going to go to key face together off. Okay, it's just like, it's basically like this. Okay, now what we want to do is we're going to go to Mesh Tools, Insert Edgeloop tool. Put one here, 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 and here, and here. And what we'll do is we'll go to Face. Go to Vertex, Edit Mesh Merge. Alright, I don't like that. So we can just kind of do this. Control E. Make sure Keep Face Together is on and just bring it down. Hit 3. Okay, that's good. Hit 1. Excellent. Now we're going to go to Mesh Tools, Insert Edgeloop. We're going to do this. And let's put one here too. There. And right there. Let's keep that too. There. And let's put one up here as well. Okay, cool. That looks neat. Okay, that's going to kind of be our tread here. And let's go to our 4 view. We want these 4 across. Go 1. Hit Control D. 2. 3. And one more. 4. You can tell these are a little too big. They'll work, they're just a little too big. We're also not in the middle of the tire, so let's go ahead and get in the middle. Perfect. Here. Let's get these all the same height. Treads should have some height over the tire. Alright, so these are a little big. So we're going to go ahead and delete these. And we're going to make this a little bit smaller. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We can space these out so they'll look good. Okay, beautiful. Alright. Okay, these are a little bit small now. So what we could do is make it a little bigger. This is where some guesswork comes in when you're modeling. Alright. Okay. Those look a little bit high, so we're going to just move them down a little. Alright. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Mesh Combine. Go ahead and center the pivot. Alright. Hit Insert on your keyboard. And we're going to go ahead and hit V. Bring it up. And we're going to go to Edit. Duplicate Special option. This is going to require you to play around with the values of Z. So let's do every 20 degrees. And okay, we're going to do 18 degrees. Where is my duplicate special? 18 degrees. Alright, that was 20 copies, so 19. Alright, a little too much. I mean, a little too little. A bit too little. So we need maybe 23 copies. So 360. 15.65. So we'll just do 16. No, 23 copies. And then 15.65. Give me a second. Okay, that's kind of cool. Alright. And then we need the ones on the side. So we could be a little lazy. It doesn't have to be 3. I'm actually going to go to Mesh Separate. And W. Modify Center Pivot. Let's move that over. Actually, Control D. Let's go ahead and move that over. And I'm going to go ahead and do this. And let's get the angle okay. Let's get a decent angle here. That's good. And hit W. Let's get it right on top here. Alright. This is not fun. This is annoying. Okay. And go ahead and insert. Down here. And hit insert again. Hit insert one more time. And I'm going to go to Edit Duplicate Special. So I'll do just like that. We need more. Let's try about 40 copies. So that's 9. All right. 9 degrees. That's good. That looks good. That's 40 copies at 9 degrees. Cool. That looks good. I just hit up there, and I'm going to hit Control G to group it. Modify center pivot. I'm going to hit Control D to duplicate it. I'm going to move this out. All right. I don't need these in the group. Hit up to get your group. And what I'll do is I'm going to go to rotate Z. Scale Z rather. I'm going to put -1. Okay. That makes a mirror image. I'm going to put it on this side. Okay. There you go. I'm going to highlight everything. And I'm going to hit Control G. Modify center pivot. If you guys can't highlight everything, you have to go to Window, Hypergraph Scene Hierarchy, and just zoom out and highlight what you have. It's kind of annoying. Or highlight individually. I'm going to call this thing tire. Okay. I'm going to Control D. I'm going to move it up. Okay, so at the start of this, I could actually apply a texture to it. Assign a material. Let's do a Fong. Let's see. Assign a material. Let's try blend. That one weirded out on me. Color. We do like a real dark gray. That looks cool. I really like the way that looks. If I hit up, I'll get the group. Okay. Yeah, that looks great. It looks really cool. You know, if you want, you could always make those smaller, but from here, that looks cool. That looks really good. I like these two. It looks nice. And again, you could have smooth. Now, these aren't even smooth. These will look better if they're smooth. So what we could do is hit up, hit 3 to smooth everything. Let's give it a second. All right, now it's smooth. Now that looks even better. See the difference? That looks rough. I don't know. It depends what you like. They both look pretty good. All right, I'm just hitting 3. You could smooth these as you go or whatever or not. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so that's the wheels. I think ours looks better than theirs. That's just my opinion. And then we'll go ahead and continue. Oh, you don't want that. Hit 1. We definitely don't want that smooth. That looks weird. I'm gonna keep that rough. All right. So that concludes the video. Next video, we'll go ahead and make the guns.